So the next question is, look at where's my. All right, here. We're gonna start doing some polar shenanigans now, which is gonna be fun. Hopefully. So let me get the question out, and hopefully we can start. It's comma y, comma z. Okay, so it's x equal 3r cosine theta parentheses y equal cosine 2 theta and z equals 3r. Again, I'm going to try to not give the answer. So we're going to see the process and we're not going to. So, okay, this is going to be a little weird. Because I thought it was going to be polar, but it's not polar. It's just the same thing. Yeah, but polar coordinates, we would just um, not do it this way. So I thought it was going to be polar. This is not polar. This is just doing chain rule again. Huh. Okay. We need to multiply by dx by d, what we're looking for, theta. That's what the whole question is asking. Yeah. Yep. And then it's all the same, but I was expecting something with fate, something different. But it's the same question. We are not dealing with different questions yet, apparently, because we're not good enough. Yeah. Yeah. Well, this will be fun, isn't it? Okay, so yeah, we're gonna structure it. So we'll start with df. df is 8y multiplied by the angle, so it's like parentheses negative 3r sine theta. Simple. Plus the f over here. Y, sorry. We need also keep on forgetting that if it's three variables, you need three of these divided by d theta. Next thing we need dy, which is 8x multiplied by the dy over here. Shit. That's 2 cosine. I don't remember if this is going to be negative or not. I'm hoping that's what the derivative would be. Yeah, and then we have sine, I believe. Then negative everything. I'm hoping I'm correct. I'm pretty sure I'm correct. Yeah. Because you can do that. Yeah. Funny enough, with this, I can do double angle formula and make this a sine. We'll see if that's needed. We'll see if that's needed. I don't think it's needed. That's why I didn't want to talk too much about it. But if it's needed, then we have it. Then z is 3. Now, we could do 16 negative and then cosine theta sine theta plus, well, it's not plus anymore. It's minus 2 multiplied by 3z, which is negative 6. And over here is negative 24 yr sine theta. Okay, so we have to get rid of some of these spaces. Exactly y and this thing. Also, if I want to get rid of this, I could do sine theta 2, and that will make this an 8. And then it would be 8 sine 2 if I need it. Pretty sure I don't need it. That's why I'm not using it. But just for guidance purposes, because sometimes is absolutely necessary. Really? Okay, minus 16 cosine sine theta. And over here, minus 6c, which is 3r multiplied by 3r, which is 18r. So yeah. Cosine 2 theta. Theta here. R sine theta is minus 16 cosine theta sine theta negative 18 R. So I can simplify this a little bit more. If I get this one right, I will simplify. If I got it wrong, let me try it again and see why I got wrong. Apparently, x, 3x, yes, I'm right. This one is over here, which is negative r sine theta. Y is, wait, why is it negative? Oh yeah, cosine sine theta. Oh, 8x. There's x here. So I got that one wrong. So I can change this again. I already need to change it again because I don't like this form over here. I think R should be more visible because R is hiding in the corner. So yeah, so hide it again. Okay, I don't care anymore. R sine. You see this? The R. Be careful of the R. And negative 16 x, which is parentheses 3r cosine, really? Cosine theta. Oh my god. And then cosine theta, sine theta, and then minus 18r. So it's like that. Try again. Parentheses over here, and then 3r cosine theta. You could totally use trig identities to shorten this so much. It's not even a joke. Okay, so I did something wrong again. Yeah, this is not a fun question. I really want to go big and try it again. Because I don't like how I don't like how dirty it is. The board is too messy for me. Yeah. We have this. We need to go. Basically, we need to do this, right? We'll do that first. Actually, we don't even need to do that because the answer key is just looking for in the end df and d theta, I believe, which equals to d theta dx multiplied by d, I refuse to deal, d theta plus df dy multiplied by d theta plus by df d z multiplied by dz by d theta. This sucks. Now we'll start with this one up here. We're doing it again because I'm pretty sure I did something wrong. And then we have time. 8y. Did I already screw up the first one? No. and then I multiply that by dx d theta, so that's like negative 3r sine theta, no, and then plus this y, so it's 8x. Did I get 8x before? Yes, I did. And then over here, I get negative cosine, 2 cosine, no, full theta, sine theta, fun. And then over here, we get z, which is plus by negative 2 z, which we get negative 2. Yes, I did, kind of. Multiply by 3. Here's a mistake. Nope. And then mistake on that. So here's the 2, that 3 that I need to change. So 8 parentheses cosine 2 theta by negative 3r sine theta plus 8 3r cosine theta multiplied by negative 2 cosine theta sine theta minus 6 is the. No way. So that should be the answer, and I hope I didn't mess it up. Oh, no. I messed it up again because z cannot be that, so it's actually 3r theta. So yeah, that should cover all our bases. So let's fix this shit. No, I'm confused. So negative 18. What the hell am I looking at here? Let's just redo this whole thing and plug in my digits right now. So it's 8 parentheses cosine square root of 2, square root of 2 theta parentheses negative 3r sine of theta plus 8 parentheses 3r cosine no theta parentheses negative 2 cosine theta sine theta minus 6 parentheses. I'm not going to read that, but that should, no, I refuse. Am I doing this wrong? Am I doing this wrong? No, I'm not. I refuse to believe that. I don't know. Yeah, I don't really know. I think I'm doing it correctly. Well, we'll have to see later on because I don't really know where we're going wrong here. Yeah, it's supposed to use a chain rule, so I don't see any why. It's not even proper polar coordinates. It's just theta here. If you were trying to do d theta, there is something called negative r sine theta, but I don't think we need to use it because they gave you the x, y, and z, so you shouldn't be needing it. Am I getting the derivative of yeah, let me go to SimLab and simply give me the derivative of cosine square root of 2 x, because I might be screwing myself over by sorry, dx dy, because I might be screwing myself over by the cosine interval. No, I'm doing it right. Yeah. Does it want me to do it in that format? Like, does it want me to change this to negative sine 2 theta. So I'll do that if that's needed. I don't know why it would want this form. Why would it want that form? No, it's wrong still. Something's wrong. Very wrong with my answer. Not a fundamentally wrong answer, but still something's wrong. And I don't know why. This is what happens when you're doing a problem that you're not meant to do until later. Yeah, that's true. I'm a dumbass. Hey, what is this again? R. Get that square in here. Square root of 2. Oh shit. What did I go wrong here? 3R theta. Oh shit, I understand. This is 0, so this goes away. Yeah, thank you. Figure it out. There's no theta here. Mistakes have been made. Okay, next rule. My god. Equal 1. So it wasn't, this didn't matter. I was thinking that that might have mattered, but it doesn't. And as you can see here, I use SIPLab to figure out if my answer is any way possible wrong with the basic derivative, because yeah, who has time for that sometimes? Like, if I'm wrong with something and you spend 10 hours on it, if you don't get the answer, look it up and see what if that's the part that you're hesitant on. And then next time, memorize it for next time. Equal to R plus 11S. Yeah, sorry, Megan. So this should have been deleted, and this part should be deleted. This part should be deleted, and this part should be deleted. This part should be deleted. This part should be deleted. Because that's 0. So this this was all right. All right. So that's awful. Do you mean this? Do I mean that? Yes, that's what I mean. So, oh my god, this is such a dirty writing. df ds at rs at 1 comma 0, right? Okay, so let's start doing it. df d theta. Wait. Okay, that's fine. Which equals to df divided by dx dx comma d theta. No, not theta. ds. What am I doing? df dx dy. Sorry. Multiplied by dy and then ds is what I'm looking for. 1 divided by xy, which is just y on the top. What? Oh, this is gonna suck. You can always tell that's gonna suck. And then we need to get a ds, so it's 7. Oh, you can already tell this is gonna suck. And then let's get this one out of the way. 2, which is dy, which is the x by xy. Kind of fast. S over here, which is 11. So we have y divided by xy 7 plus 11 xy. So this is x and this is y. So Wait a second, that's 0, 0. That's impossible. That's a legal move there. So what's going on here? I don't know. I do not know what to do here. This is illegal. This is it should be illegal. Right, this is not illegal. You know why? Fuck. I need to do all this shit. So when this is such gonna be a painful question if you do it one way. If you easy question if you do it the right way. R plus 11s. So you could, I'm sorry, I made a mistake here. So this is right, this is wrong. So 7y, xy plus 11x. So xy is correct, but I need to plug in these values over here, and over here. But plugging it in means you have to do a lot of bunch of shit. But if you notice here, this is not it. This is R and S, right? So if I can cancel that out, basically, to say x equal 3 and y equal 2. Well, that makes things easier. 7 multiplied by y is 2, and then 6 on the bottom. Should be a multiplication here. I forgot. I should probably put that there. 11, or just do parentheses. 3 multiplied by 6, which is 1/2. So it's 11/2 plus 14 divided by 6. Just for fun, let's do 30. Oh, that sucks. No, that's not that bad. Let me check that's right. 47 divided by 6. Hey, I'm right. The next question. Oh, what's going on? Next question. Let me do the next question. Oh, what time is it actually before I start doing another